So this is going to be a quick tutorial video on using Llama 3.2 Vision to analyze images with Python. So I was creating this project when I was coming up with a way to automate my auditing checklist procedure for looking at landing pages, saying, is there a clear call to action? Is there contact information on the website? If they're running ads, is there consistency between their ad and what shows up in the hero section? So this is the Hugging Face documentation on how to set up Llama 3.2 with their inference model. I'll make this available in the comments. So I'm going to go over to the code. So there's just a little over 100 lines of code here. So I'm using two main libraries. So I'm using Google's Page Insights API to get a bunch of information about my website, including a screenshot of it. And the other thing that I'm doing is I'm using Hugging Face's inference, so I can pass the screenshot of that along with some prompts to Hugging Face to the Llama 3.2 vision model. That way you can ask questions based on the screenshot. So I'm going to run it real quick. Could take a little bit to run, might be 15 seconds to a minute. So I'm going to pause this real quick. All right, so it finished. So we can see here, screenshot of my website, of my particular landing page. Go here, get more customers. Yep, so they match. So it's got everything. And when I go into, so here's the actual prompts. So I ran 3 of them. There's no phone number, email listed. That's correct. The clear calls to action. Try to get the user to contact them for a conversation, discuss their marketing needs. It's partially true, though I would have preferred something more specific about this button or the form. The other part that it does is, say, it compares the headline that I gave it in here, so get more customers with Google Ads. So did a so-so job with that. Can improve this with more prompting, possibly add in more machine learning models, but this is just a quick way to get up and running with this. It can make this code available if anyone wants to see it. And one thing that's great about Hugging Face is they'll let you make 20,000 or so API calls per day for just $9 a month. So it's a steal of a service if you just want to play around with these models. So cool. Thanks for watching, guys.